How to change Apple ID without losing data. Let's get started. Whether you are switching accounts or setting up a new one, this step-by-step guide will show you how to safely change your Apple ID without losing photos, contacts, or apps. So launch settings. At the very top, you're gonna find your Apple ID. Click on that. Now scroll all the way down. You're gonna find the option of Shine Out. Click on that. In case the option is grayed out, it might be due to restrictions. For that, you'll need to head back, scroll down, and navigate to the option Screen Time. Disable screen time settings. Likewise, click on the option Content and Privacy Restrictions and disable for the option. Now head back, click on your Apple ID, scroll all the way down, click on Shine Out. Enter your Apple ID's password and tap Turn Off in the top right corner. This disables Find My iPhone and prepares your device for Shine Out. Now you'll see a list of data types like contacts, calendars, Safari, and keychain. Toggle on everything you want to keep a copy on your device. This data will remain on your phone even after shining out. Then tap Shine Out again and confirm your decision. Once you are shined out, tap Shine into your iPhone at the top of the settings screen. Now enter the new Apple ID and password you want to use. After shining in, your device will sync with the new account, but your previously selected data will still be available on your iPhone. And that's it, you have successfully changed your Apple ID without losing your data. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.